What? What is this? A little midget has walked in front of Jimmy Stringer. Not for long. Alright. All kidding aside, this is my mock creation type thing. Well, I guess that's what a mock is, so. Of Jimmy Stringer. Earthquake. Alright. This is him. I'll start with this weapon. Ba-boom, ba-boom. He's got crossbow pieces. Fold up, fold in. Perfectly fine. Got a nice gun. 2.0 hand, 3.0 hand, whatever. Nice wrist. He's got the Stringer mod. Won't focus. That's alright, because his shoulders make up for that. But bam! 2 of these on his shoulders. That's terrific. Legs. Super long. I took them off of Rocka 2.0. But bam! Just to make this even better, another piece taken off of Rocka 2.0. Bada bing, bada boom. Loses a finger, but it was the middle finger. The finger you don't want sticking up in his hand. But bam! He's like a puma, but he's a bear. Can't you tell? And now, he's got a weird little weapon. Basically, he killed Nex, took his weapon, didn't like all the pieces, ripped them off, stuck them in his hands, called it a day. How he got the body so big? Well, it's another body put on. Snap that on, ba-bam, done. Record time for a Jimmy Stringer mock review. I hope you enjoyed and could catch everything. Goodbye.